The Bronkibooster device is a handy, reusable tool that makes using a pressurized inhaler easier for kids. It fits over the inhaler and helps by reducing the effort needed to use it. Here's how to use your Bronkibooster device in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Remove tool. Remove the card insert and reset tool completely. Step 2. Open device. First, push button inwards on both sides of the Iggy Bronkibooster device. Second, slide backwards to remove the back cover. Step 3. Reset counter. Using the reset tool provided, rotate the gear anti-clockwise until the red dot aligns with the arrow below. This will set the starting dose of 60 in the counter window on the front of the Bronkibooster device. Step 4. Assemble inhaler. Insert the inhaler from the bottom of the device. Step 5. Close device. Slide the back cover onto the front cover until the buttons click into place. Step 6. Activate. Hold the device upright and squeeze the ears together to release medication. Replace the inhaler once the counter shows the red zone. Bronkibooster devices can be reused up to 12 times. For more information, visit bronkiboosters.com.